How to log into Sweat Wallet account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can easily log in into your Sweat Wallet account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is open up your Sweat Wallet account. So make sure that you have already created your account. After you've created your account and you've just visited the Sweat Wallet app, what you'll need to do is you can either log in with your Sweatcoin or you can continue with Apple. Now, if you don't want to do any of these, it's really easy. Just a tap and connecting with your Sweatcoin will easily log you in. But there are other ways you can log in, so you can tap on other methods to check those methods out. Now right here you can see you can either log in by typing your Sweatcoin username or your secret phrase or even your private key. You also have the option to log in using your Google ID or your Apple ID and again your Sweatcoin. As you can see right here, those were the options we were presented earlier. Now you can use whichever you want, whichever is easier for you, and log in. So after you just log in using one of those methods, you'll get logged into your account. And yeah, that is basically how you log in into your Sweat Wallet account. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.